Welcome to your Coach Upskilling Dashboard. This dashboard has the goal to upskill you in all the relevant opportunities in your area, such as events, career fairs, and other news related to the coaching industry. In this dashboard, we can see that we have a space for all the coaching industry events in our area, such as the networking event in Zurich, and all the career fairs that are happening around us. Additionally, we want to provide you the latest news in the coaching industry in this section of the coaching news. Every day, new articles will appear here with the latest news in the coaching industry. You can also follow the link to read more details. The second part of the Coach Upskilling dashboard is your marketing assistant. In this space, you can create content for your social media accounts to engage your audience. There is a few different sections, such as to create content for all platforms at the same time, or to choose a specific one to focus on. For example, to create a post for all the platforms, we enter a new chat, and there we can provide a prompt on the content that we want to publish. For example, I want to publish a post related to the Gallup report of 2025, where the global employee engagement was 21%. So the result we see already is that we get a bit of guidance on how we can structure the content of our posts. And we see already the preview for LinkedIn of the post, which we can also edit manually, but also how it will look on the other platforms such as X, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. We can continue to engage with the chat and suggest refinements, such as make it more concise. This way, our posts will also become shorter and more direct and straight to the point. We also get some suggested follow-ups to continue the conversation and deliver more quality content. At the bottom, you can find the history of all of your threads, which you can revisit later. Finally, we have the coaching hours dashboard, where we can record all the coaching hours that we put in, which also contributes to the certification process. For example, if I just had another session with a client, such as myself, I can add the contact information of the client, I can select the date and how many hours the coaching session lasted, both for paid hours and pro bono. At the end, we can also export a CSV file for our own records.